In the same way that children dream of supercars, Audi has given grown-ups a reason to fawn over the humble station wagon. This is the 2020 Audi RS6 Avant, and as an adult, it holds Ferrari levels of appeal.
There is something quite unique about a machine that seats 5, notches 100 k's an hour from rest in 3.6 seconds, and can tow 2.5 tonnes. But the Audi RS6 Avant is just that, and for 2020 it's also $24,000 cheaper than before.
There have been some significant changes inside, outside and under the bonnet. For starters, the twin-turbo V8 now has slightly less power but more torque than before. It's mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission as standard, and it's now augmented by a 48-volt mild hybrid electric system.
The 48-volt electric system generates up to 12 kilowatts of power, but it doesn't actually add to performance. Instead, its primary job is to run ancillary functions and restart the car after coasting, helping to achieve almost a 10% reduction in fuel use.
The translation on road is seamless. With so much power and theatre on offer in the RS6, the electric intervention is quite benign. And if this is what it takes to keep engines like this one alive, well then I'm all for it.
Elsewhere, the RS6's performance suite now includes all-wheel steering and a mechanical diff, while stopping power comes from huge 10-piston calipers up front. The RS6 isn't just a straight-line missile either. Our test car, optioned with hydraulically activated RS Sport suspension, offers truly excellent levels of body control, particularly on corner approach and exit. Together with all-wheel drive grip, all-wheel steering and a Quattro Sport differential, it affords the driver an incredible amount of free rein and control during road driving, thereby instilling confidence.
It's remarkable just how balanced the RS6 is, even with all that performance on offer. It floats over bumps quite comfortably. It's not jarring in any way. This is a wagon that your grandma could easily live with. The way that the RS6 piles on pace is just incredible. Throttle response is crisp and immediate at all times, and with the gearbox doing its beat to keep the engine on the boil, you're never caught napping. As a performance car, this is just incredible. The fact that it carries 5 people and is quite practical inside really just broadens its appeal.
Along with being $24,000 cheaper than before, the 4th generation update incorporates a sharper design and more standard equipment, including matrix LED headlights, soft closed doors, a 16-speaker sound system, and heated and ventilated front seats. Inside, the dashboard bristles with new dual touchscreen displays, the latest iteration of virtual cockpit display, and Napa leather. The layout is a family-friendly one too, with excellent rear space and a big boot.
In every other respect, the RS6 is incredibly polished and composed on the road in its softest comfort setting. In fact, even in its harshest dynamic setting, it really just floats over bumps underneath, and despite the fitment of 22-inch wheels, it's not jarring, it's not noisy, and it's refined at all times. That's the real redeeming feature for this car. It's not a performance car pretending to be a wagon, it's the whole kit and caboodle. It works so well in both capacities.